It's not important that I work with a partner like SHI. It's important that I work with SHI. Hi, I'm Kim Hales, SVP and CIO at NRG Energy. We are the #1 home energy and services provider in North America. So it was 2017. A little bit later, I just become head of IT for NRG, and we were at the beginning of our transformation program and involved a super aggressive target of a 50% cost reduction. And I came to quickly understand that SHI had been delivering for NRG and was going to be able to partner with us on this program and ultimately play just a critical role in us delivering and achieving that goal. Oh, I remember that first meeting very vividly. You know, I didn't want to take it. Again, I was really stressed out, just trying to figure out how to slash and burn costs, and not really understanding SHI, not understanding the power that is Natalie. You know, I went to the meeting, and pretty quickly, Natalie caught me looking at my phone, and you know, she pivoted very quickly and said, you know, go to the cost savings slide, right? So I kind of looked up, and sure enough, it was basically, here's the history of all the things that we have done together, and it was very impressive. And in fact, it was a lot of things that I'd heard about from other people, but not SHI. Natalie then said, you know, go to the next slide. Here's all your contracts that are coming up. We understand where you're at. We understand just how aggressively you have to cut. We really believe we can be part of that, and here's our targets. And frankly, we think we can do even better than this. And you know, she kept her word, and SHI did an amazing job, and you know, again, was just an absolute keystone partner for us achieving, you know, really a miracle of a 50% cost reduction in a year and a half. I would say it's absolutely incredible what SHI can do for us, in that when we are asking for solutions, they very quickly can assemble a team and lay out all those options for us, and we can very quickly make that decision and move on. SHI has really helped us keep pace with new technology. We're still in the middle of our cloud journey, and SHI, you know, came in early on, did a cloud assessment with us. We created our Cloud Center of Excellence based off of that roadmap, and they brought in further partners to help us create a truly robust plan to take us to really a high level of cloud functionality and efficiency. When it comes to a company like SHI, I'm sure there's others out there, but there's none that is as genuine and committed to your long-term success that I've seen. I can't imagine working with anyone else. To everyone at SHI, thank you. Thank you for the incredible partnership. Thank you for always being there for us. We would not be where we are without you.